Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can change miles to kilometers or vice versa in your Garmin Connect app. So open up the Garmin Connect app on your phone and then tap More and then go to the device settings, Garmin devices, and here you will choose your watch or which device you have. Then you will go here to the and then after the settings you will find user settings and scroll down a little bit where you see units, measurement units. So we have metrics, and then this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.